Now I've got this awful hunting rifle to do. Shame I can't do this in tournament. Stop. No, not really. Coincidence. No. Spencer's playing up. Yeah, Luke more than anything. What is this weapon? Someone's already on 39. Almost like it's not hitting. It's okay, 23. Just a shame I can't do it actually in-game. Okay, so got time to go and get a cup of tea. Okay, alright. I'm not hitting them, probably, yeah. Need to work on the aim. Okay. Start the DM. Right. Got time to go and get a cup of tea and cup of tea. Okay. Well, I'm getting a cup of tea. They're about to play ranked ballistic with
R.
Where have I heard that? Where have I heard that noise?
I don't know. Right, okay.
Oh, no,
Watch this while I'm
I'm
just doing.
R.
Be interesting
R,
actually to see.
R.
Did you ever see the fucking?
Your bun is
the dog
shattered
making
glass
noises on
all
the
over the
plane?
kitchen. Really? That's
Oh, the
not good.
Chinese
But
one.
I'm going to get a cup of tea.
Is that...
They eat the dog's what?
No, it's
No?
like it's like a flying dog. He's like,
Is it like the small brown one?
yeah, maybe. I don't know. I
Too
can't
early
remember.
for food, Bandit.
Wait,